Customer service automation using machine learning. Hello guys, today I'm going to explain the customer service automation which is done using machine learning. Introduction. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence. The goal of machine learning is generally to understand the structure of data and fit the data into models that can be understood and utilized by people. Two of the most widely adopted machine learning methods are supervised learning, which trains algorithms based on examples, inputs, and output data that is labeled by humans, and unsupervised learning, which provides the algorithm with no labeled data in order to allow it to find structure within its input data. Problem statement. Managing an increasing number of online customers interaction has become a pain point for most businesses. It is because they simply don't have the customer support staff available to deal with the sheer number of inquiries they receive daily. Machine learning algorithms have made it possible and super easy for chatbots and other similar automated systems to fill this gap. This application of machine learning enables companies to automate routine and low priority tasks, freeing up their employees to manage more high level customer service tasks. Detailed discussion on the problem we talked previously. Self service refers when a customer finds the support they need to resolve their issue with interacting with a human agent. Survey have indicated that 81% of customers would prefer to help themselves rather than speaking to support agent. According, Accordingly, many companies have increased their self-service offering as a way to provide a better consumer experience. One of the easiest methods for providing self-service is to build out a knowledge base. Self-service has proven to be common use case for machine learning applications like chatbots, virtual assistants, and many other AI enhanced tools which are able to learn and stimulate interaction with customer service agents. Some of these applications use deep learning, advanced kind of machine learning, to continually improve, resulting in more accurate and helpful automated assistance to user. Exclusive perspective of machine learning. Literature review. Successful machine learning applications are applied in areas that involve processing of lots of data, as is necessary when the end goal is to make an educated decision. Humans aren't well equipped to process constant streams of data like algorithms can. We generally have better things to do, like working directly with frustrated customers. For the sake of efficiency in customer service, it is more preferable for human support agent to glean insight from data when we can. Machine learning is customer service. In customer service, takes that idea a bit further. It applies discovered insights in a way that can optimize the customer experience. It can be something that makes support agents more knowledgeable, like through product analytics, or efficient, like when an AI tool power tool can handle remedial customer issues on its own perpetually. It's highly competitive out there, and AI and other emerging technologies are only making it more competitive. Companies are now focused on providing a great customer experience, and this means utilizing modern technology wherever possible. This creates an effect where new technology improves the customer experience and the customer expect more. This cycle repeats itself with a few companies becoming known as the truly innovative and forward-thinking companies. It's, the, it's these companies that set consumers' expectations. You may not be able to provide a customer experience as seamlessly as the tech giants like Apple, Amazon. We have more money than who have more money than they count. But that doesn't mean you can't be setting yourself apart from the crowd either. Customers have Customers love a fast, efficient, personalized, and friendly service. They hate redundancy, repetitiveness, and wasting of their time. If you implement AI automation and an omni-channel platform, you reduce the friction in the customer journey. Less frictions means happier customers who are more likely to come back to your business. More friction means your customer will look elsewhere. This is a proposed machine learning solution. Chatbots and virtual assistants are two types of solutions which we could elaborate further. Chatbots, when it comes to chatbots are what comes to a mind when many discuss AI technologies in customer services. The ability to stimulate an interaction with the customer services representative and resolve the simple inquiries of an effective self-learning solution. Machine learning enables chatbots to learn when they should use specific responses, when they should gather necessary information from users, and when they should hand off a conversation to a human agent. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are different from chatbots in how they don't try to simulate an interaction with an agent. Instead, they focus on specific areas in the customer journey where they can provide assistance to the customer. When unable with machine learning capabilities, they can learn what kind of information they can pass along to agents or saved to be used in analytics program and enhance the kind of assistance they provide. Let's talk about technical details. Chatbots, its environment. This is where a core natural learning process NLP engine and context interpretation happens. NPL engine, what is an NPL engine? NPL engine is a core component that interprets what users say at any given time and converts the language to structured inputs that system can further process. Since the chatbot is domain specific, it must support so many features. NLP engine contains advanced machine learning algorithms to identify the user's intent and further matches them to the list of available intents the bot supports. NLP engine further has two components, intent classifier and entity extractor. Intent classifier takes user's input, identifies its meaning and relates back to one of the intents that can chatboxes support. Uh, Entity extractor is what extract key information from the user's inquiry. Question and answer system. This is a key component in answering users' frequent FAQs and interprets the question and the system interprets the question and responds with relevant answers from the knowledge base. It is the manual component. It has a it has following components: manual training, automatic training. Manual training involves the domain expert creating the list of frequently asked users queries and maps it answers. This helps the bot quickly identify the answers to the most important questions. Automated trainings. The automated trainings involve submitting the company's documents like policy documents and other Q&A types of documents to the bots and ask it to train itself. The engine comes up with a list of questions and the answers from these documents. The bot then can answer with confidence and with 100% surety. Plugins and components. Plugins offers chatbot APIs and other intelligent automation components for chatbots used for internal company like HR management and field workers chatbots. The node server and traffic server. The server that handles the traffic requests from users and routes them to the appropriate components are the node servers or traffic servers. The traffic servers also routes the response from internal components back to the front-end system. Front-end system. Front-end systems can be any client-facing platform. They can be an actual chatbot interface that resides in various platforms like Facebook, Slack, Google Hangouts, Skype for businesses, and Microsoft Teams. This is a virtual assistant diagram, a flow diagram you could say. This is how it works. It's a kind of framework. Access to customer service for 24x7. Bots can work 24x7 at no additional cost. This means they are available as much as the business wants and needs them to respond out of our requests. And if they cannot fully resolve a customer issue out of hours, they can take all the details, raise a ticket, and or schedule an agent to respond when the business reopens. By extending customer service hours, the contact center can alleviate some of the customer demand peaks, which also provide more convenience for customers. During COVID, helplines and customer support centers became overwhelmed with customer concerns associated with the impact of the virus. By being able to deal with this day and night using the AI assistant, customer service were dealt with faster and with low or zero wait times. AHT, average handling time following handoff